Today's lesson is absolute value. The absolute value of an integer is the distance from 0 on a number line. Absolute value is always a positive number. No matter what the integer is to begin with, it always ends up as a positive answer. You write absolute value with two vertical lines. The lines go on either side of the number. This problem is read as the absolute value of 6 equals 6. To find the absolute value, first plot the number on the number line. We'll start with the absolute value of -2. We'll plot -2 on the number line and then count how many spaces -2 is located from 0. In this case, it's 2 spaces, so our answer is +2. The next problem's absolute value of 4. Again, find the point on the number line and then count how many spaces that number is from 0. In this case, +4. It is 4 spaces from 0. This last problem is a little different. It's read as the negative of the absolute value of -5. The first step is to find -5 on the number line. Then count how far -5 is from 0. It's 5 spaces. But because normally we would stop there because the absolute value of -5 is 5. But we have that additional negative sign outside the absolute value symbol. This means we want the opposite of the absolute value. The opposite of the absolute value would make this problem a -5.